Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Fundamentals by Ankit Shukla. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to start a learning journey about Microsoft 365. In today's session, we will learn what is Microsoft 365 key features, the administration tools available for IT and system administrators to manage their organizations effectively. So without wasting any time, let's start today's session on the fundamentals of Microsoft 365. Now, after the sign-in process is completed, let's explore the Microsoft 365. For the sign-up process, I already recorded a separate session. You can watch the session. I've added the link for that in the description of this video. You can always watch that. You can open any app, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and start exploring your 365 once you're done with the sign-up process. You can create documents, collaborate in real time with others, and take advantage of all the powerful tools within Microsoft 365 that Microsoft has to offer. Remember, if you decide not to convert your trial to a paid subscription at the end of 30 days, just make sure to cancel before the trial ends to avoid any charges. Let's explore the key components of Microsoft 365 and how they work together to empower you in your personal and professional life. There are multiple things within 365. I'm just going to talk about a few core components like core office applications, cloud services and OneDrive, collaboration tools, Microsoft Exchange and email messaging, security and compliance, artificial intelligence and automation, administration and management tools. First up, we have core office applications. At the heart of Microsoft 365, there are multiple core office applications that have been industry standards for multiple years. You can say multiple decades. These apps are designed to help you create, communicate, and manage your work with ease. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Access. These are all the set of tools that are there in the office applications. Now, talking about cloud services in OneDrive, in today's digital age, businesses and individuals are increasingly relying on the cloud to manage, store, and share the data. Microsoft Cloud Services is at the forefront of this transformation, offering a wide range of tools that cater to both personal and professional needs. Let's start with the Microsoft Cloud Services. These services are designed to provide powerful computing resources over the internet, eliminating the need for traditional on-premises hardware, which means you can access them anywhere. Whether it's hosting your website on Azure, managing your company's email with Microsoft Exchange, or collaborating with your team using Microsoft 365 Teams, the Microsoft Cloud offers flexibility, scalability, and security. One of the standout offerings in Microsoft's cloud ecosystem is OneDrive. Think of OneDrive as your personal cloud storage space wherein you can save or keep all your files, documents, photos, videos, and more. With OneDrive, your files are not just stored safely, they are available wherever you are, whether you are working from your desktop at the office, a tablet on while traveling, or your smartphone while doing something in a meeting or when you don't have access to your laptop. OneDrive ensures that your important files are always at your fingertips, but OneDrive isn't just about storage, it's about collaboration. Imagine working on a document in real time with your colleagues, no matter where they are in the world. With OneDrive, multiple people can view and edit the same document simultaneously, making teamwork more efficient and streamlined. And let's not forget about security. In a world wherein data breaches are a growing concern, Microsoft takes security very seriously. OneDrive protects your profiles with advanced encryption and features like personal vault add an extra layer of security for your most sensitive information. In summary, Microsoft Cloud Services with OneDrive as a key component provide the tools you need to work smarter, faster, and more securely. Whether you are a business looking to enhance productivity or an individual wanting to keep your digital file organized, Microsoft's cloud solutions are designed to meet your needs. Let's talk about collaboration tools. Teams is the hub for teamwork in Microsoft 365. It combines chat, video meetings, file storage, and app integration into a single platform. Whether you're collaborating on a project, hosting virtual meetings, or sharing files, Teams brings everything together in one place, making remote work seamless. SharePoint is another powerful tool for managing and sharing content within an organization. It's a platform wherein teams can collaborate on documents, manage projects, and create intranet sites. SharePoint's robust document management features make it easy to control access, track changes, and ensure everyone is working on the latest version. Let's talk about Microsoft Exchange or your email services within Microsoft 365. Microsoft Exchange plays a central role in Microsoft 365 being the backbone for email, calendar, and contact management. Here's how Microsoft Exchange works within Microsoft 365. Email hosting and management. It is the primary email platform. Exchange is the main service that hosts and manages email communication within Microsoft 365. It provides users with reliable and secure mail access through Outlook, both on the web and via desktop or mobile apps. Mailbox management, it handles all aspects of email, including mailbox size, email archiving, and the organization of messages into different folders. Calendar and scheduling, shared calendars. Exchange enables users to manage and share calendars, making it easier to schedule meetings and events across teams. Meeting coordination, it integrates with Microsoft Teams and Outlook, allowing users to create and join meetings directly from their calendars. Then we have contacts and address books. Global address list. Exchange provides a centralized directory of all contacts within an organization, making it easy to find and communicate with colleagues. Personal and shared contacts. Users can manage their personal contacts and access shared contacts across the organization. Then we have security and compliance. We have data loss prevention. We have compliance features. Basically, Exchange helps protect sensitive information from being shared anonymously or unknowingly, inadvertently through email by setting up rules that prevent certain types of data from being sent internal or external. Compliance features, it includes tools for e-discovery, retention policies, and legal holds, ensuring that organizations can comply with regulatory requirements, country specific requirement, or GDPR. Collaboration and integration. Exchange works seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 apps like Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, and it enables a unified communication and collaboration experience. This is its integration with Microsoft 365 apps. Then it has public folders and shared mailboxes. It allows for creation of shared spaces wherein teams can store and manage emails, files, and calendars. It also has Microsoft 365 groups, which integrates with practically everything within Microsoft 365 like Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, Planner, Yammer, Forms. Then you have mobile access. With Microsoft Exchange Online, users can access their email, calendars, and contacts from any device, but that has internet connectivity, ensuring productivity on the go. In summary, Microsoft Exchange and Microsoft 365 service as the core service for communication, scheduling, and contact management, providing a robust platform that supports the daily operations of businesses and organizations. Then we have security and compliance, which are critical components of Microsoft 365, which are designed to protect your organization's data, ensure regulatory compliance, and safeguard against threats. There are multiple key security and compliance features in Microsoft 365. Uh, some of them are identity and access management. That is, you have Azure Active Directory, which is central to Microsoft 365's security and integrity. Azure AD or Microsoft Intra ID manages user identities and controls access to resources. It supports single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and conditional access. Then you have Microsoft Defender, which is your threat protection. Uh, Microsoft Defender for Office 365 protects against phishing, malware, ransomware, and other advanced threats through safe attachments. It scans the email attachments for malicious content. It has safe links, which checks the URLs in emails for potential threats and blocks access to dangerous sites. It has advanced threat analytics. It identifies and investigates suspicious activity across your organization. Then it has Microsoft Defender for Identity, which detects and responds to identity-based threats by monitoring user behavior and identifying unusual activities. Then you have information protection. So you within information protection, you have data loss prevention, which helps with preventing the accidental sharing of sensitive information by monitoring and restricting the flow of data within and outside the organization. Now you also have Azure information protection, which classifies and protects sensitive data using labels and encryption, which ensures that only authorized users can access it. Then you have sensitivity labels, which allows you to classify and protect data based on its sensitivity. It applies encryption and restricts the access as required. Then you have Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. It provides advanced threat detection and response capabilities for your devices by helping to protect against cyber attacks. Then your Intune provides MDM features like through Intune you can enforce the security policies on mobile devices, ensuring compliance and protecting organization data using MAM. Then you have email security. So you have Exchange Online Protection, which is a built-in email filtering that protects against spam, malware, and other email-based threats. Then you have anti-phishing policies, which identify and block the phishing attempts by analyzing the email content and the sending pattern or the behavior of the sender. You also have compliance policies and compliance features within Microsoft 365, which are available for assessment and monitoring, regulatory compliance like GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO standards. Uh, you also have audit and reporting within as available compliance features, which are available by default. Then you have advanced security management through cloud app security and attack simulation training as well. Through cloud app security, you can monitor and control the use of third-party apps which are connected to your Microsoft 365. That ensures that they meet your security and compliance standard. Then you have attack simulation training, which provides tools for simulation, phishing attacks, and other threats, which helps to educate users and improve security awareness. Microsoft 365 continuously evolves its security and compliance features to address emerging threats and changing regulatory requirements, ensuring that your organization stays protected. By integrating these robust security and compliance tools, Microsoft 365 helps organizations protect their data, comply with regulations, and respond to evolving threats, all while maintaining productivity and collaboration. Then let's move on to the AI features within Microsoft 365. AI is integrated into many Microsoft 365 apps. You must have heard about Microsoft Copilot. In case you have not, we will cover that up in our future sessions. AI is integrated into multiple Microsoft 365 apps to help you work smarter. For example, ideas in Excel can automatically analyze your data and suggest insights, while Editor in Word offers advanced writing suggestions. These AI powered features, along with Copilot, help you save time and improve the quality of your work. Let's talk about the admin and management tools in Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Cloud Services. Microsoft 365 offers a range of administrative and management tools that empower IT administrators to manage users, secure their data, and optimize the productivity across the entire organization. Here's an overview of some of the many tools or key features which are available within as an administration features within Microsoft 365. First one is Microsoft 365 Admin Center. It is for centralized management. The Admin Center is the hub for managing all Microsoft 365 services. It provides a unified interface to oversee or manage or administrate the user accounts, licenses, and settings across the organization. Then it is you can using Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you can do the user management, which means that you can easily add, delete, or modify user accounts, assign licenses, and reset the passwords. You can also manage groups, security settings, and compliance configurations. Then you also have the option of billing and subscription management within Microsoft 365 Admin Centers. Administrators can manage subscriptions via billing information and allocate licenses to users or groups. Then you have Azure AD Admin Center. It is now called as Microsoft Intra ID Admin Center. Within this, you have identity and access management, single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, conditional access, and different other cloud identity features. Then you have Security and Compliance Center, which has data protection, compliance management, threat protection. Then you have Exchange Admin Center, wherein you can manage the emails, mailboxes, manage the mail flows. Then you have Microsoft Endpoint Manager, which is also called as Intune or Endpoint, which is responsible for the device management and application management and the compliance policies on those devices and application which are part of your corporate infrastructure and Microsoft 365. Then you have SharePoint Admin Center, which is responsible using which you can do the site management, content management, and you can do a search and discovery as well. Then you have Teams Admin Center, using which you can manage your teams and channels across the organizations. It is also for collaboration policies, wherein you can manage the collaboration policies across the organizations. It is also helpful in managing the applications which are integrated within your Microsoft Teams. You also have Power Automate Admin Center, which is responsible for automation flows that you have for governance and monitoring and for data policies as well. This tools of these tools actually and collectively ensure that the IT administrators can effectively manage their organization's Microsoft 365 environment, from user management and security to compliance and productivity optimization. That's a wrap up for our introduction to Microsoft 365 and the key features and the administration tools that are available within Microsoft 365. I hope this walkthrough made it easier for you to start exploring all the tools Microsoft 365 has to offer, the key features within Microsoft 365, and the administration tools available to manage Microsoft 365 organizations and businesses effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more IT learning content. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is anything specific you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. This is Ankit Shukla signing off. Have a great day ahead, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Cheers.